Hey everyone, this is Erik Burton. As you can see down here on the bottom, it is December 14th, 2022. This is a wonderful keyword research tool that I've been using for the past 6 months. It initiated in that last 6 months, so it's fairly brand new, and it really helps you with all kinds of aspects when it comes to keyword research. As you can see, I have it here on YouTube, and you can also do several other things with it. Okay, and you have different processes here for search. It can even do ad spying. It can do for anything to do with videos and channels on YouTube, as well as the academy that you can join. It'll also show you the audiences and collections. And as you can see, I've already put a few keywords in here, but I'm going to demonstrate one keyword that seems to be a big keyword for most people looking or searching for different keywords. So I'm going to put in health, and then we're going to press search and see what we get. Okay. Now, it takes just a few moments, as you'll see with the volume trend here. Now, it gives me an initial volume for these type of health-related keywords. As you can see, 300,000, 275,000. And if we scroll down, you can see it gives you quite a bit now. It's also searching now for related keywords. And as you can see here, you can select all 21 so far. And they also give you a trend action here, and healthy recipes, healthy gamer, healthy food recipes. As you can see, it's relatable to certain aspects. And then we get to the actual similar keywords, and you can see that it's going to be a little different there. It's going to give you mental health. It's going to give you health factors. A lot of times what I do is I recorrect it here so I can see the highest volume of searches. We can also scroll down just for that, and it will give you specifics. Women's health, you can see, is about 10,000 average views per month on YouTube. And then health benefits with different, like Moringa, I guess that's a product brand, those kind of things. And then we get into the opposite of health. You got over 2.3 million views, and this is per month. Follow my health. As you can see, people really follow other people's health on YouTube. And opposite of most health advice right here. And as you can see, there's quite a few. They give you 100 to start, and then you can go from there and expand on that. And you can also, again, select all, and then you can download the selected. It will put it into a PDF searchable file, and you can also just copy with a comma if you're putting these into YouTube videos or into your websites, that type of thing. Okay. And we also have the trend information as well, and I will give you a little demonstration here on what you can do to adjust the search here. I'll click on this to get the search volumes up at the top and give us the highest search volume keywords. As you can see with the similar keywords, the algorithm is used to find keywords on YouTube that are similar to your main keyword. Now that we have that adjusted, you can see medicine, mental health, opposite of most health advice. You can also see the ranking score as well, okay, with all of these different options. So you definitely want to click on the link in the description below to get your free trial with this keyword search platform. I guarantee you, I have been using it for my videos, and it has been giving me more views in the past 6 months than I've ever gotten. I would never know too much about any type of keyword process, especially for YouTube. And this has really helped me to understand what avenue or area to go into to be able to find the best keywords for that specific video and or for that specific website. So click on the link in the description below, get your free trial. This is Erik Burton. I will see you on the next video.